was out here in the shop a couple weeks ago, I guess it was, processing these peppers. I used to do this, I did this once inside the RV. Let me tell you what, bad idea. It'll run you out. Just processing these peppers, grinding them up for a few seconds, and then pouring them into this funnel, into a shaker. It was a windy day, the wind was swirling around in here, and I brought that grinder up here and was pouring the powder into the funnel, and I knocked the funnel over into the floor. Pepper went everywhere in the floor, just spilled all over the place. The wind caught it, and you know, I immediately knew I was in trouble. I grabbed a broom real fast and knocked it out of the shop, and the wind just swirled ground habanero pepper all over the place. All I could do is close my eyes and run, you know, make it to the water hose as fast as I could, and start washing that stuff out. When I got as much of it out of my eyes as I could, which really didn't do a whole lot of good, I went in the house, stripped, and went in the shower, and that was a painful shower. That's the story I was going to tell you guys about the hazards of working with this stuff. I probably should have gloves on, but I haven't had a negative experience with just, you know, the stuff on my hands yet. So until I learn that experience, I'll just be stupid. Thanks for watching.